should have a business bank account that you're operating out of anyway. If you've been in business at least 6 months, you qualify for a program.
We got bad credit. Creating the Bank Breezy funding platform, where they can fill out one application. All the top funders look at that application and compete to give the best offer. It's called Bank Breezy. DAC started it. It's 1 5-minute application. 20 providers look at the app. Best offer delivered. There's not 20 credit scores pulled. They don't have to worry about applying at 20 places. There's one FICO score pulled. Doesn't hurt their credit at all. Simple, convenient solution for the other 90%.
Trucking companies are experiencing higher expenses. Here's the funding secret survivors use. The biggest killer isn't competition or regulations, it's cash flow. Let's figure out how much you need, as our programs are not credit score driven.
Credit's not the huge piece
Cash
here.
flow, fuel costs, and expensive repairs can severely impact profits. Even large trucking companies are struggling to stay afloat. But here's what the survivors know. Create funding lifelines that can save your growth plans. First, short-term financing. This is your easiest approval because your monthly revenue qualifies you. You can get $20,000 to $150,000 for a single truck, all based on bank statements. Second, working capital loans. These bridge those brutal cash flow gaps, covering payroll and fuel while you wait on invoices. Typically $25,000 to $250,000, lowering your stress the moment you are funded. Third, our longer-term loans offer the best rates, with up to $2 million loans limits. Still only take 24 to 48 hours to approve, and the savings are massive. Finally, business lines of credit give you flexible access to $500,000 to $600,000 whenever you need it. Here's the qualification reality. Most lenders require high credit scores, and at least 12 months in business. We only require 3 months in business. New ICC authorities are welcome. All of our funding programs are completely no collateral and unsecured loans. Don't let cash flow kill your trucking dream. Brian M. Hazel and BankBreezy.com, your partners in success.
I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now.